Welcome back, everybody. I'm still down here in Florida. We're having a great time on Nate's set. And look who I've got here. I got the Hungry Hussy.
Here I am. I made it too. They
Yeah.
actually let me go somewhere.
They let him out of North Carolina, but today we're going to make a Ginger Sesame
Pork burger.
Ginger Sesame
Pork burger.
We're going to make a pork patty. I'm going to put you on slaw.
Slaw?
Yeah, slaw. So it'll be an Asian slaw.
Asian slaw. A
Asian.
little bit of soy sauce.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I got some pork.
Soy?
Pure ground pork here, so not Italian sausage or anything, just pure ground pork. And I think we're going to do 2 of these. I'm probably going to make a little more than I need, and we'll see what
I
happens.
think you told me some rice wine vinegar. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper.
All right, I have some scallions.
Sesame oil goes a long way, y'all. A little dab.
Garlic into the mix. I don't use much ginger. I was going to use ginger paste, but we're at Nate's house today. So at Nate's house,
We use the fancy tools?
we use the fancy tools. Pineapple Sriracha. Why not? Pull that piece of ginger root out there. Let's mix this
Oh,
up.
it's perfect. We'll just, whoever gets that, they'll just have double. That's all right. No big deal at all. Just keep on going.
Piece of ginger
Aunt
root.
Carolyn, she's coming. She'll get it. No big deal.
Plain ground pork, you definitely want to flavor it up. When you buy sausage in the store, buying bratwurst, or buying Italian sausage, it's a pork sausage that's been seasoning. So on its own, it doesn't taste like much. So today we're just going to infuse it with what I hope will be like a Southeast Asian type of flavor.
It's going to be good. The garlic,
Yeah.
that garlic, the ginger, fresh ginger, I mean, is optimal, right?
Yeah.
It's got a nice little citrusy flavor to it.
Figure out these patty sizes. I don't know, 1/3 pound maybe. Right?
Yeah, it's 2-pounder right there, but that'll work. Yeah.
No, it's not a it's not a 2-pounder.
That's a big boy burger.
We don't want it to be too tiny.
Okay.
We're not making sliders.
Hey, go
we're not
on with your
making
bad
sliders.
self. Go on with your bad self. Slap that sucker down, Todd.
Yeah,
Let's
can you
go
put a
with
little
it,
bit?
bro.
Can you grab a little bit of oil for me? I like to use avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil. Well, we're waiting. Let's put a little bit of mayo on the bun. We're getting. Oh, it's looking good. We're close. Oh, that one. Look at. What do you think?
Yeah.
We're almost there.
Like let's give out another 60 seconds.
We're
or so, and then
halfway
we'll be ready
there.
to flip.
We're halfway there.
Halfway there.
Oh, we're halfway.
Oh, yes!
Living on a
Prayer. Yes. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah.
Ready to flip these things? I was gonna flip the spatula, but these are so huge, like they're hard to.
Yeah.
Have you flipped one of these before?
Yeah.
It's a big boy. Whoa! Yeah.
Do you do that when you're by yourself or with others around?
No, by myself a lot. Yeah.
All right, so we flipped. We gonna
flipped.
toast buns now?
Yeah. Let's toast buns. Why don't you grab those 2 and I'll grab these 2? We'll do it together.
Like 2 buns.
But I need you to lock in. You said you had a well gauged eye. What'd you say?
I got a calibrated eye.
Calibrated eye.
Calibrated little elbow right here. So this is
Well, I need you to calibrate.
This is 2 ounces.
We want golden brown.
Golden?
We're not burning these. You ready?
okay. All right, you ready?
Boom.
I gotta say boom.
Boom.
All right, boom.
Boom.
How was that?
And you can gently do that if you want.
Did you see that sesame seed?
Dude,
It about took your eye out.
I've seen that happen with rice before. Never with
And it
the
almost
sesame
did. We almost had a casualty. So what? I mean, did you say you got to twist it? Is that what you did?
seed. Well, what I'll do is I'll kind of give it almost like a little CPR, like a yeah, like that
We got a live one here, Todd. Yeah. What's a crazy time on the Griddle More tour?
on the griddle more. Course.
Yeah.
A lot of crazy times. We had a guy out in California. I remember his name. He was a great guy named Gary. Gary came to visit me on the Griddle More tour.
Yeah.
And he was so nice. And he came 3 or 4 days in a row, and I remember joking around with him. And one day I went with the garlic paste. I squeezed the garlic paste, and he'd come 3 or 4 days in a row. And I wanted so much to just include him. And so one day I was like, "Hey Gary, but be careful. It's garlic paste. It isn't toothpaste. Don't want to brush your teeth with it." He showed up the last day with a tube of toothpaste and had me autograph a tube of Crest.
Crest.
Yep.
State law. Crest.
State law.
Yeah. So
Yep.
do you only use Crest now?
Yeah, I only use
Only Crest.
Yeah.
No Colgate stuff.
Yeah.
Not sponsored.
Every time I start to feel down, I remember people bring me toothpaste to autograph once in a while.
That's like the wildest thing ever. A tube of toothpaste.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to enjoy that 15 minutes of fame, right?
Yes, sir. So we have these. The buns are ready.
Yeah, you want to
so
get the
now
heels
we
ready?
can, we can get a little bit more mayonnaise on
Yeah,
this.
a little bit on the heel, please.
And tell me how you want these built.
On the heel. Oh, not on the crown.
What?
I just on the heel.
Heel only?
Heel only.
Todd.
State law.
Oh, God, Todd. You gotta put mayonnaise on both sides.
You can do it, but I wouldn't do it at home.
At your home. My home is state law.
Okay, I want a little bit on the heel. Okay, sure, you can put it on the crown. Ain't gonna hurt because we do like.
Totally weird.
We love.
This is totally weird.
Where's my heels here? We love mayonnaise.
Tar Heels?
Yeah, Tar
I love
Heels.
Tar Heels.
Oh, shout out to anybody watching from the great state of North Carolina, by the way. We do have a lot of Griddle Nation out in your state.
They absolutely
And
love-
I know you're
love
probably
Griddles.
thinking that it could be because of you and your influence.
You know, they just make a good product. Let's just face it.
Let's make it look pretty down there on the heel.
Yeah.
On the heel?
Heel.
On the heel?
Heel.
Yeah.
Where's the other heel? We got like, there it is.
Oh, well, the sesames are, this is a heel, this
That's
is a
what
heel.
it is. The sesames are.
It's a blind leading the blind around
Yeah,
here.
there's
We
a
don't
lot
know what we're doing.
Well, they're the crown because of the
It
way
does.
those sesame seeds are there. Those are,
Again,
Martin's making a confusing looking, blurring the edges between heels and crowns
Yeah.
over at Martin's. I had a guy comment once. He's like, the way you throwing away those terms, crowns and heels, sounds like you work at McDonald's. That's where I learned it back in the day.
You know what I call them? Funny subject. It's top and bottom.
Crown
and heel. I
Crown
don't get
and
it.
heel.
Top, bottom. But I think it's good.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, good job.
And I feel good about it too. Yeah.
You feel good? I feel good.
I feel good. A little bit of slaw on top of the patty.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, yeah. Oh my.
What do you think about that?
It looks really good. A little kiss of the sriracha. Is that all right with you?
Hey, kiss. Yeah, sure.
Look at that. Oh
I like
my.
the way you handle your sriracha.
Dang.
Goodness.
Dang it, boy.
Oh, beautifully toast. You taking a look at that?
I'm getting down.
Oh.
I'm like eye level.
Now I'm gonna give half of it. You're gonna get a half. You ready?
Oh, that's
Take
not
a look.
at that.
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
mama. Let's.
Give it a try. Very moist.
Very more.
The slaw, which is my favorite. The crunch. Always love the crunch. Always the crunch.
Whoa,
for
doubling
the texture.
up on the...
My lord, oh boy.
Wow.
Sure, why not, Todd? Just give it to me, son. I love the onions. I taste the garlic.
Yeah, I taste a little bits in the
And
patty.
that ginger really shines through.
Mm.
Sriracha plus the mayo, little bit of a nice kick to it. It's awesome. Some good groceries right here, y'all.
I don't use ginger at all. Like I never use ginger. It's not in my wheelhouse of flavors.
Now that you're
It's not in my
here,
toolbox, but I'm using it now.
bacon fried corn with ginger coming soon, y'all.
I don't know about that.
That sounds really good.
I love ginger.
I'm loving the sriracha though.
I am too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One more bite. Let's do it.
Sriracha and mayonnaise is
more
a
bite.
match made in heaven in my little Tar Heel heart.
Thanks so much for being here, buddy.
It was a pleasure.
Had a good time. It's always fun. Once a year we get to do this. Sure do appreciate you watching. We'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and make sure you're watching all of my friends, such as the Hungry Hussy,
Please do.
or Nate that's over there on the Blackstone Network. We have a lot of shows. Until next time, Todd and Hussy, praise the Lord and pass the Ginger Sesame
Pork burger.
Pork Burger.
That's like Laurel and Hardy. I was filming that whole thing. That was great. That's your outtake, Todd. Hey,
TikTok.
What is
I
this?
am-
Pork burger?
Ginger Sesame.
Pork burger.
Whenever you're ready.
Look at that. What is that?
It's not going anywhere.
That feels really good, Nate. Thank you.
Ethan's getting me all giddy.
This thing attracts everything.
Oh, that worked. You got the tricks, huh?
Look at me.
2 steps forward, take 2 steps back.
Anything else you'd like
We
to pick
go
up? Nate?
together,
We look like a
cuz-
bunch of baboons over here.
Opposites attract.
That's right.
And you know, it ain't fiction.